Shout out to Reagan's World of Beauty. You get the secret emoji shout out. Thank you so much for your support. Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be doing classic French tip nails. I've already prepped my nails. If you want to see me prep my nails, check out my last 2 videos. It's nothing more, nothing less, and I'm doing both hands, but for the sake of this video, I'm only going to be recording one of my hands. I'm using the Model Ones Dip Powder Kit, and I'm going to be using the clear since I already have white tips on, which I am almost out of. I'm going to start by using their base, and I'm not going to do the whole finger. I'm going to start by only doing about half of my finger. So the pointer is in real time to show you how far down the finger I do, but the rest of them are faster. Once I finish putting on the base, I'm going to dip it in the powder and hold my finger in there for about 10 seconds. And you want to kind of dip it at an angle, don't dip it straight down. Once I take my finger out, I just tap off the extra powder that's on the nails. I don't brush it yet so it can dry fully. And now I'm just going to repeat that for the rest of my fingers and on my other hand. Once I finish dipping all the nails, I'm going to brush off the extra powder. Now for this second layer of dip powder, I'm going to brush the base down farther, but I'm not going to do it close to the cuticle. So you want it a little farther away from the cuticle and down farther from the middle of your fingernail. Now with the final layer of dip powder, I'm going to go all the way down to my cuticle, but making sure I keep it clean so it won't bleed all over my cuticle. just filling in any spots that I see I missed and putting dip powder in them. And then I'm also going to do one more layer on my thumb since I didn't like how thick the thumb was. I want to make it a little thicker. I have now finished both of my hands, and now I'm going to take their activator and I'm going to put that on all of my nails. This is to make sure that the dip powder dries so it'll harden and you'll be able to file it. I personally do not like their activator because it takes forever for the dip powder to actually dry. I've used my own activator that I already had from Sally's, and it took no time for this dip powder to dry. So yeah, personally I don't like their activator. Now I'm going in with filing after the activator has dried, and I'm going to try to get that clean, straight, square shape that I want. And you want to make sure that you file every surface of the nail, like I'm talking every corner, because I'm about to go in with the gel top coat. And what you don't want is to still have activator on top of your nail, because if you have activator still on top of your nail, it's going to cause your brush to get hard, and you don't want your brush to get hard before you finish doing both layers of the gel top coat. So make sure you file and buff every part of the surface of your nail. After my first layer of gel top coat has dried, I'm going to go in again with a second layer of the gel top coat. And once that top coat has finished drying, I'm going to go ahead and put on some cuticle oil and then rub that into my nails. I want to take this time to say thank you to you guys for commenting, subscribing, and liking the video. I see y'all, I see it all, and thank you so much. It is greatly appreciated. Did you catch the secret emoji? Yes, I included the secret emoji in the video this time. If you caught it, please comment and be sure to leave the secret emoji in your comment. But that is it, y'all. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I hope you guys like the video. Thanks for watching.